spiritual Vedic path, Vishnu Sahasranama slow chanting. Om Vishwam Vishnurvashatkaro Bhuta Bhavya Bhavat Prabhu Bhuta Krad Bhuta Bhradbhavo Bhutatma Bhuta Bhavanaha पूतात्मा परमात्मा च मुक्तानां परमागतिः अव्ययः पुरुषः साक्षी क्षेत्रज्ञोऽक्षर एव च योगो योगविदां नेता प्रधानपुरुषेश्वरः नारसिंहवपुः श्रीमान् केशव. Here F sound comes. केशवः पुरुषोत्तमः सर्वशर्वशिवस्थाणुर्भूतादिर्निधिरव्ययः सम्भवो भावनो भर्ता प्रभव. Okay, again prabhava prabhurishwarah. The F sound come again in between. Prabhava prabhurishwarah swayambhu shambhuradityah pushkaraksho mahaswanah anadi nidhano dhata vidhata धातुरुत्तमः अप्रमेयो हृषीकेशः पद्मनाभो मरप्रभुः विश्वकर्मा मनुस्त्वष्टा. A simple मनुस्त्वष्टा स्थविष्ठस्थविरो ध्रुवः. Actually it is a Mahaprana. ध्रुवः dhru DH Dhruvah. One more time. Vishwakarma manustvasta sthavisthasthaviro Dhruvah. Seventh one. Agrahyashashvatah Krishno Lohitaksha Pratardanah Prabhuta Strika Kudhama Pavit Mangalam Param. Number 8. Ishanah Pranadah Prano Jeshta Shrestha Prajapatihi Hiranya Garbho because Mahaprana. Hiranya Garbho Bhugarbho Madhavo Madhusudanah. Every word have the Mahaprana, please understand. One more time. Hiranyagarbho Bhugarbho Madhavo Madhusudanah. Number 9. Ishvaro Vikrami Dhanvi Medhavi Vikramah Kramah. Okay, Vikramah Kramah should be that like that. Anuttamo duradharsha. Okay, one more. Anuttamo duradharsha kratagnya kratiratmavan. 10th one. Suresha sharanam sharma vishwareta. Here again F sound. Vishwaretaf prajabhavaha. Ahas samvatsaro vyalaf pra. Okay, here again the visarga there. Ahas samvatsaro vyalaf pratyaya sarva darshanah. So sarva dar, sar dar, that is should come in between. Sarva darshanah also in just first line in 10th shloka. Suresha sharanam sharma, shar, that should come. So these 10 slokas is enough today. Please listen many times keep the lyrics and listen, okay? Then you will see what is the difference. Spiritual Vedic path, Vishnu Sahasranama 11 to 20, slow chanting. Ajas sarveshvara siddha siddhi sarvadirachyutah. So here 1, 2, 3 different words have visargas. So double S sound will come. Siddha, siddhi and all. Ajas sarveshvara siddha siddhi sarvadirachyutah. Vrashakapiramayatma sarva yoga vinisrutah. So next one is 12. Vasur vasu, the grinding sound, okay? Vasur vasumana satya samatma sammita samaha. Simple line. And amogha, second gha, okay, gha, the maha prana. Amogha pundarikaksho vrashakarma vrashakratihi. 13th one, Rudro, okay, the dirgham is there, dragging. Rudro bahushira babhu. Okay, here the Mahaprana H. Bhabrur, see, Bhabrur, like that. Bhabrur Vishwa Yoni Shuchishravaha. Next, second line. Amritasyashvatasthanurvararoho mahatapaha. So sthanu, okay, sthanu. So visarga is there, so double S sound plus th. So amritasyashvatasthanur. So next one, 14th. Sarvaga, again, sarvaga sarva vidbhanur vishwaksheno janardhanah. I will chant one more again. Sarvaga sarva vidbhanur vishwaksheno janardhanah. Vedo veda vidavyango, because dirgham, you have to drag both words. Vedo, right? Veda vidavyango, vedango, veda vitkavihi. All the words dragging except last. So next 15th one, lokadhyaksha suradhyaksho dharmadhyaksha kritakritah. This I already explained. Every 3 words, adhyaksha, like that. I will split here. Chaturatma, chaturvyuha, chaturdamstra, chaturbhujaha. Okay, 4 words are there. Chaturatma, chaturvyuhas, chaturdamstras, chaturbhujaha, chaturbhujaha, bhu, H is there, Mahaprana. Next one, Bhraja, Bhrajishnurбhojanam bhokta sahishnurjagadadijaha. So don't forget that second bhokta, bho plus dirgham. So next line, anagho, again second round. Anagho vijayo jeta vishvayonis. Okay, here vishvayonif punarvasuhu. The F sound comes in between. Vishvayonir, you know, Vishva, it's not yonir. Vishvayonif punarvasuhu. 17, Upendro, okay, so dragging. Upendro vamanaf pranshu, see, pranshuramogha shuchi, it double sound. Yes, see, because here sh is there, the next word, shuchi, that's why amogash SH, both side. The Visarga will change to SH. So, Amoghashuchirurjitah, Atindrasangrah Sargo, Dhritatma Niyamo Yamaha. Okay, next one. Vedyo. Okay, it's not Veda, Vedo. It's Vedyo. Dio, Y-O-Yo, okay. Vedyo Vaidyasada Yogi Viraha Madhavo Madhuhu, okay. H sound coming from the stomach. Madhuhu. So, Atindriyo Mahamayo Mahotsaho Mahabalaha. Here simple. Mahabalaha. That's all. Mahabuddhir Mahaviryo Mahashaktir Mahadyutihi. Sorry, here not Dyutihi, it's just simple Dyu. So, Mahashaktir Mahadyutihi. You can say. It's not Dyutihi, it's Dyutihi. Anirdeshavapushri. Sorry, here Anirdeshavapushriman Ameyatma Mahadridhrak. I think Dridhrak in your English. I think this is normal. I refer another document where is Mahadridhrat, but you have to chant Mahadridhrak. Okay. Halan, they called Halan something, half. So, Maheshwaso Mahe Bharta Srinivasa Satangatihi. Gatihi, simple Gatihi, not Gatihi, it's Gatihi. Aniruddhasuranando Govindo Govidampatihi. Many people, I heard Govindo. No, it's Govindo Govinda, not that. It's Govindo Govidam Patihi. Thank you, Sai Ram. Please practice many times. Sai Ram.